Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Steam using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Steam application on your device. And then as you can see here at the lower right corner of my screen, there's this message that says that don't have a Steam account, create a free account. So just go ahead and click on the create a free account. And right now, Steam will ask you for your email address. So you just want to type on your email address and you need to confirm it. And here you just need to verify that you're not a robot. After that, just click on verify. And here you just need to check this and then continue. And then here you need to check on your email because Steam will send you a verification link for your email, okay? So let's just wait for the email. So let's just check on my email. And here, as you can see, Steam sent me a verification for my email address. So I just want to go ahead and click here on verify my email address. Now here, please return to the account creation window to complete creating your Steam account. You may safely close this window. Let's just go ahead and exit. And then here, you can now go ahead and fill out this form to create your Steam account name. Then your password, make sure that it's a strong password. So here, as you can see here, include lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols for a strong password. So let's just try again. So, so here you just need to make sure that sorry, that your password is, so let me type it again. And here, just click done. Okay, please. So for the account name, it says that please enter an account name that is at least 3 characters long and uses only A to Z. So I cannot do this. I'm just gonna not available. So I'm just gonna choose that and click done. Mhm. So let's just try again until I can find a account name that is available. So here, new account created successfully. So please close this window or click continue to sign on with your account. So there you have it. You can now go ahead and sign in your account. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.